Eating healthy, nourishing your body and mind. In a world filled with tempting fast food and convenience meals, it's essential to prioritize our health by adopting a nutritious eating habit. Eating healthy goes beyond just counting calories, it's about fueling our bodies with the right nutrients to thrive physically and mentally. Let's explore the importance of eating healthy and discover some practical tips to incorporate into your daily routine. So, how can we make healthy eating a sustainable and enjoyable part of our lives? Here are a few practical tips. Plan and prepare. Set aside some time each week to plan your meals and create a grocery list. By having a clear plan, you're more likely to make healthier choices and avoid impulsive food decisions. Focus on whole foods. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Fill your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These nutrient-dense foods offer a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to maintain a healthy balance. Use smaller plates and bowls, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, it's not just what you eat but also how much you eat that matters. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated supports digestion, helps regulate body temperature, and keeps your energy levels up. Limit sugary beverages and opt for water, herbal tea, or infused water instead. Practice mindful eating, slow down and savor each bite. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of the food. Eating mindfully allows you to tune into your body's signals of hunger and fullness, helping you make better choices and prevent overeating. Remember, healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. Start by making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits and gradually build upon them. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to embrace healthy eating and enjoy the many benefits it brings. Thanks for watching and don't forget to follow and like the video.